Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nina Cayani Lopez Matango, Interim Paris. I was going to hang out with my friends on Wednesday night for the interim party. We had been talking about it for weeks, and we were hard excited. I was really looking forward to it because we had planned to get together for a long time. It was going to be a fun night with music and dancing and traditional food. However, I had a very important pharmacology test the next morning, and I did want to meet up my grades. I need to sleep early and review my notes one more time. So I hop up on the plan and stay home to study. Maybe next time I can join them if I don't have an exam. Thank you. Next. Join a jersey every night. I was supposed to a jersey every night to stay healthy and feel better. I made this plan because I wanted to have more energy and reduce stress. At first, I was very motivated and even made a plan to share off after long study days. I downloaded workout video and got my clothes ready each evening. Not while standing, I had up on the top routine because I always had too much homework or I just felt too lazy. Sometimes I wanted to read, watch something, or use my plan instead. Now I feel a little disappointed, but I want to make up for it and start again next week. I hope I can be more disciplined this time. Thank you.